Hi and welcome to another video. So i- today I am going to teach you how to fix Steam must be running to play this game. So if you are encountering this type of error message, and it says that Steam must be running to play this game when you are trying to launch a game on Steam. So here are some troubleshooting steps that you can try to solve the problem. So next, a first one is to restart the Steam. So close the Steam client completely and then relaunch it. Because sometimes simply restarting Steam can resolve temporary issues and allow the game to launch properly. Next is to verify integrity of the game files. So you just need to right click on the game in your Steam library and then select properties and then go to the local files tab and then click on the verify integrity of game files. So this process will check for any missing or corrupted files and then restore them to the original state. Next is to run Steam as administrator. So you need to right click on the Steam shortcut or executable file and select run as administrator. So this gives Steam the necessary permissions to run correctly and resolve some compatibility issues. Next is to check the antivirus or the firewall settings. So you need to ensure that your antivirus or firewall is not blocking Steam or the game from running. So temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software and try launching the game again. So if the game launches successfully, you may need to add exemptions or adjust the settings of your security software in order to allow Steam and the game to run. Next is to update the Steam. So make sure that you have the latest version of the Steam client installed because Steam updates often includes bug fixes and improvements that can even resolve various issues. So restart Steam and allow it to update if there are any available updates. Next is to repair Steam files. So Steam has a built-in feature to repair library folder permissions that can sometimes resolve the issues. So you need to go to the Steam menu and menu in the top left corner and just click on the settings and go to the downloads tab and click on the Steam library folders button and then just right click on the main library folder and select the repair library folder. Next is to check for conflicting software. Some software or background processes can interfere with Steam and prevent games from launching. So close any unnecessary programs running in the background and temporarily disable any overlays or screen recorders or other software that may conflict with Steam. And lastly uh is to reinstall the game. So if the above steps doesn't resolve the issue, you can try reinstalling the game. So just right click on the game in your Steam library and then select uninstall and then reinstall by downloading the game. So if none of the above steps work, it is always recommended to reach out to the company or to the Steam support for further assistance. So provide them with specific details about the issue or any error messages you are encountering. So they can provide you with additional troubleshooting steps or even guidance or provide you with guidance to help resolve the problem. So that is all. I hope you like this video and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.